Hey everyone, today I would like to show you my latest project that I was working on for a while. I'm naming it Atlas, which is an AI answer engine agent. So basically, I was trying to learn how Perplexity works, right? So if you guys have used Perplexity, it's a search, search engine you can say, but mainly an answer engine where you can query something and it will give you an answer. Like you say, okay, Bitcoin price today, and it you know crawls through internet, finds the data, uses the RAG methodology to generate a useful answer. So you don't really have to go to the links and find the answer about. I was trying to basically reverse engineer, see how it works to up my learning with the agentic applications. So I built this project called Atlas, which is very similar to Perplexity, not really very close to how Perplexity really working at the end because they have like a lot of querying power. They have a lot of things, right, that work. This is a very basic, you can say 10% of what Perplexity does. So our idea is to learn and, evolve with agentic systems and build some useful agents which, we can use. It's written in Node and it runs everything locally. So it doesn't, cost you any money. It uses Ollama model and it uses CRXNG for querying the internet. All the details are in the GitHub. And in this video, I actually want to show you the demo. But in a nutshell, right, so what it does, we have a front end that queries, we have a multiple steps of, you can say it's like a multi-agent architecture where you have the different small agents that does different jobs. So we analyze the queries, we rewrite the queries, we detect the context from the old queries to a new query. We scrape the web, get the data, and then perform our RAG-based thing. And we also have a very small cache layer, but it doesn't require anything complex. It doesn't have a embedding, it doesn't have a database, it doesn't have all the advanced AI stuff that you generally need. I wanted to keep it simple, so you can take the code, modify it, learn it, how a agentic system really works, and how systems like Perplexity are being evolved. So you can say this is like a very small MVP of Perplexity, not really a entire clone of it. A demo, right? So I have a CRXG running in Docker. I have a Ollama running in my local machine as well. So let me, right. This is a UI screen, pretty simple. Doesn't use anything fancy. We use very old school jQuery and able to call REST APIs. So nothing very fancy. So let's ask that question. Bitcoin is today. So what it's doing right now is taking the query, analyzing the query that if it already has any context. That means did you really ask these questions? Oh, sorry, I think my Docker is not up. Okay. So it's able to now, fetch out the data and, and get the data from different sources, and it tells you which sources it's able to get the data from. Since you asked this question, if you again ask another related question, let's say, will it reach its all high time again soon? So right now it's able to detect the context and say, okay, the user is basically asking about the Bitcoin, which is the previous query. And this way, it's able to rewrite and fetch the data from the web or, rewrite the queries based on that. And you will find all the examples of how the query is being used in this document as well. Let's ask another. So, okay. Right now, we struggle to find out, okay, this is not related to Bitcoin. It's going to go and relate to old context and restart the new context. Try to fetch related to, that are related to AI or the query you ask. And yeah, it tries to do it a little faster. It's right now in 13.44 seconds. The reason being is running in my local machine. And CPUs are not really that good on running models, but if I hook it with the API like OpenAI and all, these things will be really faster. But since I'm running in local, it takes like 13, 14, 15 seconds depending on the query and how much process that it need to do, like rewriting, context injection, all that. And yeah, this is it actually. Here's the source code. And that's the demo. Take the copy. You want to add some contribution, feel free. Add in the PRs, and I'm going to review. And yeah, thanks so much for your time.